Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to conclude the flow control statements which I have covered so far in this course. So till now, as part of the flow control statements, I covered if else, if else and switch statements under the decision making statements category. And also under the looping statements category, I covered while loop, do while loop statement, for loop statement. And coming to the jump statements category, I covered break and continue statements. So I've covered good number of them. But there are few topics which I have not covered as part of the flow control statements. Okay. There are some statements as part of the flow control statements I have deliberately or intentionally, okay, didn't cover because this is not the right time for me to cover such kind of topics. For example, under the looping statements, you have for each loop. This topic I have not covered because for each loop can be only explained with arrays. I'll be covering arrays in the upcoming sessions of this course. Till then, I cannot cover this. Okay, so let's wait for the arrays topic. When the arrays topic comes, along with arrays, how to use a for each loop, I'm going to cover. Okay, till then, you have to ignore it. And coming to the gem statements, there are these four statements which I have not covered. Okay, till now. So first one is written, then we have try, catch, finally. These are the four statements I have not covered as part of the gem statements under the flow control statements in Java. The reason behind that is this written statement can be covered with methods. Okay, in the upcoming sessions when I cover about methods, then along with methods, I'll be covering the return statement. Okay, for now you have to ignore it. And coming to the try, catch, and finally statement, these three statements can be covered with exception handling mechanism topic. Okay, which I'll be covering in the upcoming sessions. So okay, till that topic comes in this course, where I will be covering this exception handling topic in the upcoming sessions, we have to ignore them. Okay, so I have deliberately or intentionally I have not covered this five statements: for each statement, return statement, try statement, catch statement, final statement as part of this course at this point of time. So in the upcoming sessions, they will be covered for you. You have to be rest assured. Okay, fine. So that's all, guys. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.